The most anticipated party of the summer is back. Blue 3. Buleria. The most popular band is breaking record across the ocean for 3 years in a row, celebrating their 3rd anniversary on July 8th at the Renaissance Convention Center. The sexiest front line of the Caribbean will be joined by the fierce ladies, Gigi and Steph. It will be a night where mysteries are revealed. One will take the stage for the first time at Blue, featuring Debo D, Sizzle, and much more. Nuts Beats, DJ Vibes, Fat Tunes, hosted by Chris Strick. Save the date for Saturday, July 8th at the Renaissance Convention Center. Blue 3 is brought to you by Grey Goose Tropical Bottling, Elite Productions.